Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along to the Cowlitz River in Longview, Washington for some smelt dipping. This is the only day of the year for 2021 that the state of Washington opened smelt for harvesting. Harvest time is from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and a lot of people are starting to show up. And by 8 a.m., this place is gonna be a big party. So let's go. To catch a smelt, you don't need a fishing rod or lines. You just need a long smelt net. By dipping it into the water with the current, you catch the incoming smelt into the net head on. It's a very fun way to catch fish.
That stick down there?
Yep.
You can see the black wave just come right.
Everybody has to have their own bucket.
The regulation dictates that each person is limited to harvest only 10 pounds. That is about half a bucket. And each person must have their own buckets.
Hey, Kevin, come over to my house. I got your curtain.
Anthony, you get my hat and my bag. There's like snacks.
Let's go! Let's go!
Oh!
Oh, they all stopped. Oh man, they all stopped.不说了，不然。
你得快速的往下移，这样子。
对，一条，快，漏网之鱼，漏网之鱼。
你快速的往下移，让袋子在后面。
哦，
对。
That's good. That's how you do it.
对。哇，旁边的人就多。哦，来，进，快，进，快。
哦，sorry。对，人家到你们来很累的。
来，进来试一下。
OK。
Oh my god！
哦
，big one！ 哦，反着了。
我来。
慢慢，不真的不是了，不然真。
Go deep. Oh yeah, that's good.
快！
Oh yeah. Wow, look at that.
你看你。
Whoa, look at that. Okay, good.
高明啊！
Yeah, you got some. Okay, good.
给你倒一下。
All right, look at that. Okay, hi. Oh yeah, okay, good.
Oh, holy shit!
Okay, good. Look at that. Hey, 原来那个，我差不多没事。OK， 坐了。
一下子咬这么多。
哇 ，look at that， 哈。
我觉得这个还没满，这个。还是咬的生是吗？
Holy！
Not bad. Nice. OK， 好，
够了吧 ？OK， 这么多，我要拍张照片。15分钟，16分钟。 比我们上次那个多了。
Okay, guys, so that was the end of part 1 where I showed you how we catch the fish. Now, please follow me to part 2 where I will show you how to clean and cook the fish. So, I'll see you there. Bye.